The question is the transition function for the language L, which is W, such that number of A in W and number of B in W are both odd is given by. So all these transitions are given to us and we have to identify the initial and final states of the automata. So first construct a finite automata by using these transitions. So as you can see, we have 4 states here: Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Now transition of A from Q0 is on Q1. Transition of B from Q0 is on Q2. Transition of A from Q1 is on Q0. Transition of B from Q1 is on Q3. Transition of A from Q2 is on Q3. Transition of B from Q2 is on Q0. Transition of A from Q3 is on Q2. Transition of B from Q3 is on Q1. Now we have to identify the initial and final states. So as you can see in all the options, Q0 is our initial state. It means there is no need to think about it. Q0 is our initial state. Now to identify which one is your final state, we will check all the options one by one. Suppose Q0 is my final state. So in that case, if Q0 is my final state, it means it can accept epsilon, because when initial state is your final state, it means it can accept epsilon, and epsilon means even number of A and B, but our condition is they both should be odd. So that's why A can't be the correct answer. Next is Q1. So if Q1 is my final state, so in that case it can accept single A also. It can accept A, but single A means even number of B, but B should also be odd. So that's why Q1 can't be our final state. Next, Q2 is our final state. So in that case it can accept single B. Single B it can accept, it means even number of A, but A should be odd. So that's why C can't be the correct answer. So last option will be our correct answer, but we will check that also. If this is my final state, so what it will accept? It can accept A, B. A, B it can accept. Apart from it, it can accept A, B, B, A, B. A, B, B, A, B. Yes, number of A is 3 and number of B is also 3. Or it can accept A, B, 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 B. A, B, B, B. 3 times B it can accept. So that's why correct answer is D. And this is your final DFA. Consider the finite automata in the following figure and identify the set of reachable states for the input string 0011. As we can see, there is a self loop of 0 and 1 on Q0. It means we can definitely reach to the Q0 after processing this 0011. And there is only one path is defined for 0 from Q0. Okay, so Q0 is one of our reachable states, and in the fourth option we don't have Q0. It means D can't be our answer. But after taking 1 from Q0, we can again take 1 and reach to the Q1. So we can again take 1 and we can reach to the Q1. Or after taking 1 from Q0, we can reach to Q1, and again by taking 1 we can reach to the Q2 also. So let's check this path. 0 0 1 1, Q0 only. 0 0 1 1, and we are at Q0. Or 0 0 1 1, Q1. 0 0 1 1, and we are at Q1. Or 0 0 1 1, 0 0 1 1, and we are at Q2. So our reachable states are Q0, Q1 and Q2. So our answer will be A. Given below are two finite state automata where arrow indicates the start state and F indicates a final state. Which of the following represents the product automata Z cross Y? In Z we have two states, 1 and 2. In Y also we have 1 and 2. And when you will take the cross product of these two, your states will be 1 1, 1 2, 2 1 and 2 2. So when we will take the cross product of these two and we will write in the form of table. So here it will represent Q and here we will represent input alphabets. So our input alphabets are A and B. States are 1 1, 1 2, 2 1 and 2 2. So in both the automata, 1 is our initial state. So 1 1 will be our initial state and 2 2 is our final state. So 2 2 will be our final state. Next task is to define the transitions. So for from 1 1, transition of A will be on 2 1 and transition of B will be on 2 2. Transition of A from 1 2 will be on 2 2 and transition of B will be on 2 1. So here 2 2 and 2 1. Similarly, transition of A from 2 1 will be on 1 1 and transition of B will be on 1 2 and transition of A from 2 2 will be on 1 2 and transition of B will be on 1 1. So 1 2 and 1 1. But in the answer, the states are named as P, Q, R and S. So since in all the options P is our initial state, so it means 1 1 will be P. 1 1 will be P. And R is a final state, so it means 2 2 will be R. Right? So just check the options. So transition of B from P will be R. Transition of B from P will be R. Yes. No. So B can't be the answer. C can't be answer and D can't be our answer. So correct option is A. Let's check the remaining transitions. So since here transition is transition of A from P is on S. It means 2-1 is S. So 2-1 is S. So PSR, PSR, right? And then it must be Q. It must be Q. QRS. QRS, it is also correct. SPQ. It's S, it should be P and it should be Q. SPQ and RQP. RQP. So correct answer is A. Given the language L, which consists of AB, AA, BAA, and which of the following strings are in L star? L star means repetition of L 0 or more times. So first string is AB, AA, AAA, BAA, and we have to identify that whether this string is a combination of this language or not. Okay, so we can divide it like AB. Why? Because after A, just check the next bit, which is B. So it will be AB. Next A. So A से हमारे पास दो strings start हो रहे हैं, that is AB and AA. But just check the next bit here, that is A. So it will be AA. Again it is B. So from B we have only one string, that is BAA. So it will be divided like this. So it will be BAA. Again we have A, but after A we have B. So it will be AB, and after that AA is left. So it means that it is AB, this is A, this is BAA, this is AB, and this is AA. So it means this string is a combination of L, or this string belongs to L star. So A must be in the option. So B can't be the answer. Again, next string is tetra A, B, tetra A. So tetra A, B, tetra A. Again we have to divide this string. So first will be AA, because after this A we have A. So it must be AA only. Again AA. Then from B we have only one string, that is BAA. Again AA. So it will be AA. So 2 will also be a part of L star. So it means D is also eliminated. Next BAA, it will be BAA. Then AA, AA. Then AB, AB. AA, AA. Now this is AB. How we will divide it? AA and B. But B doesn't belong to this L. It means 3 doesn't belong to L star. So it means A can't be my answer. So correct answer will be C. But we will check fourth string also. So it is BAA, BAA, then AA, AA, then AB, and again AA. Okay, so when you will divide it, so you just have to check. After A we have two possibilities, either you will have A or B. So you have to just check the next bit of A. So either it will be A or B, so you can divide it like that. So correct answer is C. What can be said about a regular language L over A whose minimal finite state automata has 2 states? So our input alphabet is A and we have 2 states. Okay, first option is L must be AQ or N such that N is odd. So if N is odd, it means it is accepting A, A3, A5 and A7 and so on. So in that case the transition will be like this: A and Q1 will be my final state. Okay, and other transition will be A. So it will accept 1A, then 1, 2, 3A, 4, 5A, 6 and 7A. So this will be our DFA. And the second option is L must be A power n is even. So in that case it can accept 0 times A, it means epsilon, or A power 2, A power 4, A power 6. So in that case initial state will be your final state and the transition of A will be defined here, then A. So it will accept 1A, 2A, after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these two options are correct. Next, L must be A power n such that n is greater than equals to 0. So n is greater than or equals to 0, it means it can accept epsilon, single A, 2 times A, 3 times A, 4 times A, 5 times A and so on. But to accept these strings, you don't need two states, but it is given that whose minimal finite state automata has two states. It can be accepted with single state also. So it can accept, this language can be accepted by this DFA only. Okay, so we don't require two states. So it means C can't be our answer. Next is either L must be A की power n such that n is odd, or L must be A की power n such that n is even. So yes, this is more appropriate. Why? Because it is not given in the question that which state is our final state. If my language contains odd number of A's, then Q1 will be my final state, or if n is even, then Q0 will be my final state. So we can't say exactly, so that's why correct answer will be D, because it is not given in the question which one will be our final state. In the automata below, S is the start state and T is the only final state. Consider the strings U, V and W. Which of the following statements is true? First we will check string A double B A B A. A, B, B, A, B, A. And we are at T, which is our final state. It means U is accepted. So check the options. Third is it rejects each of U, V and W. No, because it accepts U. Okay, let's check second string, which is BAB. So it is BAB. We are at S, which is not our final state. It means V is not accepted. So first option is it accepts U and V. No, because it rejects V. The automata accepts each of U, V and W. No. So our correct answer must be D. Let's check third string, that is double A double B. A, B, B. So W is also not accepted. It means correct answer is D. It accepts U but rejects V and W. So that's why correct answer is D.